Umintri katanat puli puthi ubalak men Rymbui ula ong baka Sorkar kadang pensyong nongrim ban pynbeit thymmai ya kajing siu by klas haki college Sorkar kanang ban penduna ya kajing shania jongki haki grant bat ban ailat eki bakin bahat tingka nakabenta ki kam baman kasngi nalai ki jongki khajana baki yoklum haba ai jingkran hadin ka jingalang bishar kam hak artarik iya yong ubalak men ula ong baka by klas haki college Sorkar kadang duna bha habayanu jor bagi deficit ni ki college shimen kabala khanglat ya kajing penyar haki rukom trikam ngimla banlen ya kajing shisha baka jing siu by class haki college Sorkar ka kham duna shibun habayanu jor bat ki people's college ni deficit college ula ong hapo jong ka ni kajing Thmu ki college kin la ban kin tiu ya kajing shim by class ka babyang kata da shipho hadu khatsan pesan haringkat ka weipat kalat ban siu shisien baki samla puli kila yo ya ka post matric scholarship lada ka college kalum khat wei hajar ne khat ar hajar menta tungin bu bakan long khat pra hajar tingka hadu khat kanda hajar tingka ki samla puli kin siu ya ka ei ka bakila menta bat ya ka ba sa kin siu hadien bakila yo ya ka scholarship batai ubalak men ulak do nuksa da ka ba ong ka kyang nang ba government college kan kin tiu pra hajar tingka nakabenta iwei pa iwei samla puli bat na kabenta lai hajar ngot ki samla puli kan penmi hadu kumba ar point sauklur tingka man lakasnam lingba ka ni ka pisa ka college kam dan kam ban wan shangi ban pha mang pisa na kabenta ka college week ka jingalam shangkai ki khina puli ni ban thong kam ki no hikai ki bathamai ula ong umintri ula banjor baka ni ka jingkala kanam bu jing e ki samla puli namar baka post matric scholarship kan pendap ya ka by class hagi college but omshu sheki plajong ki samla puli kani kan ambu jing e ki samla puli namar ka Sorkar kan sa siu biang ula ong ulayanu joru e ki college Sorkar but ki jaka puli kum ka Saint Edmunds but Saint Anthony's ha ka ba ka jing siu ya ka by puli ka long ka ba he Henry ki yo pat ya ka scholarship ka ba he ban penthi kena ya ka jing khu jing suba ubalak men ula ong ba manla ki college ki de ban thau ya ki committee ki ban kenthop ya ki no hi kai bat ki ban mi khman na ki samla puli ban pech halor ko rukam pendan kam ya ka pisa ka balalum na ka bai class kanu ka ba ki pendan kam ki de ban pendan kam na ka benta ka bha ka mian ka baya de bat ka puli puthi ula ong ulakin tu ru iki college bagi deban penyo ya ka jing ithu na ka UGC 12B but 2F but banya khon banyo ya ka accreditation da ka ba ong baka jing khmi banya dalade kan ya rap ya ka Sorkar ban bu thong na ka benta ka jing kershan hashwa ka de ka NAAC menta kan sa wanda ka kinhun ka batmai Henry kin haban le ya ka namar ka ni ka jing bishar banya ya lade ka long ka bakong san ula ong haba phai shaki school umintri ula batha eki officer ban penlong kong san bakan dan arsian ka jingalang hapring ki mi ki pa bat kino hai kai haka shisnam haki school Sorkar kata hadien ka exam shiteng snam bat ka wei hashwa ka exam final khanang ban te ka jinglong jingman ki school Sorkar ki longkum ki bamdan ki nong pet nong khmi ki ban shimkya hi kwa la kumno baka de ban dan ka jingalang hapring ki mi ki pa bat kino hai kai khnang bakan dan kata ka jing sngo jan bat sngo trai ula ong ula maham ru baki dan kat tu kat ni ki jing terwai ki bala ban pentri kam no mardor kat baki dan ki weipat ki badan kam ya ka jinga selong ngidan hang ni ban shakri ki pat ba ka jela bat ke ei ka ngile na ka benta ka jing bha ula ban ram
We cannot deny the fact that the fees in the government college is very less compared to the other people's college or to deficit college. Uh, to make the finance to keep the financial independent to different college where they have some fund. So because as you know that the post-matric scholarship is meant for the fee reimbursement. So we discuss about that. Let the different principal have the meeting with us, all the stakeholders. Let them raise the fees, and we will collect the fees. What is they used to pay now, or increase 10% or 15% as of now. But let us increase it. So if they collect at 10,000, let us make it at 18,000, 19,000. 12,000. So 11 or 12,000 they may pay now, but the rest they can pay after they get scholarship. Because now, suppose 3,000 students in Kiangnongba Common College. Now, if they get 8,000 extra, that means 2.4 crore per year. This will go to the college, and with this fund the college will not come every now and then, suppose for college week, for cost excursion of a different department of the college, or for appointment of few teachers, faculty, short-term faculty for the short-term course. So but this will not put a burden into the student, because the government will reimburse. The student will only pay what they are due, plus minus 5-10% as of now. But the rest, as I said, they will pay us and when they get a scholarship. Because if we compare the BA first year of Tura Common College or the Kiangnongba Common College scholarship, the student scholarship, it differs from the student of St. Edmunds or St. Denis or the Don Bosco College in Tura. Those colleges, they get the higher student hostelry, they get more scholarship, but that scholarship does not go to the pocket of the student. It goes to reimburse the fees of the student. The other scholarship, like the merit scholarship, of course, border area scholarship, those are in border area, and NEC scholarship, that of course go to help the student. But regarding the post-matriculation, we find that if the student body, if the college authority could do that financial independence, moreover, but we have also instruct that they should form a committee where any amount collected, the committee to spend that, they should have the member from the faculty, they should have a member from the student body, so that everything will be transparent, and whatever they use, they should use it for the betterment of the education. More important, as I said, sports week, college week, excursion, this year this department, next year that department, that they need to come, because once they come to the government, sometimes it takes months together to get the sanction. So we are talking about all these things. So let's see that as I said, some issue which we could implement, but some immediately, but some we need a consultation. We are here to serve for the people of the state, and anything we do for betterment, and consultation is needed. So and also, as you know that in the state of Meghalaya, there are many colleges which don't have even the 12B recognition or the 2F. So we impress upon them that they should apply and they should meet a course. And we also impress that all the college should try to have accredited. Yes, before it's a NAC, and now what is the body will come. So what they have to do, because this self-assessment is a very, very important, and we also will, and the government also will know that where is to intervene. And we also discuss one of the very, very important issue that regarding schools, government schools especially, that we impressed that we told the director that all the government schools, especially all the schools, especially government schools, they should have twice the parent-teachers meeting, because government schools, it is like nobody's take care. So we want that minimum, at least during the result day of the half-yearly or before the result of the final exam, there should be a parent-teachers meeting. In that meeting, they deliberate, and there will be a sense of belonging or the sense of ownership also by the county. These are all the issues which we discuss